Welcome to Lutong Barkada. I'm Marie.
And I'm Joy. Marie, I'm so excited for today because we have a special guest that will show us how to cook seafood paella. Paella is one of the best known dishes in Spanish cuisine. So let's welcome our special guest, Kuya Carl!
I've been waiting for this day because when I tasted Carl's version of paella, paella became became my favorite dish.
Alright, so Kuya Carl, so how long have you been cooking? Give us a little bit your background.
Well, I think if I can remember correctly, I started cooking when I was 10 or 11 years old. My grandma Nati taught me how to cook chicken adobo.
Wow.
That's my favorite, Marie.
Joy's favorite.
Yeah.
And ever since then, it becomes my passion to cook every now and then, you know.
That's
But
good.
Yeah. At masarap.
Yes.
Okay,
now,
let's go.
This is special. So, Kuya Carl will be showing us his version of paella. Alright, let's start.
let's do this.
So Carl, ano yung ginagawa mo dyan?
So, iniinit mo yung saffron. Bali, ang laman nito is saffron. So, iniinit mo siya para mabuhay yung kanyang flavor. Okay, wag mo siyang susunugin. So,
Mga
mabilis
ilang
lang.
minutes yan, mabilis lang.
yeah,
Okay,
less
tapos na yon.
Yep. Kasi masusunog siya. Pag nasunog, di sunog na yung panlasa niya. So, mga ingredients natin ngayon, arborio rice, mussel, fresh shrimp, clams, pre-cooked clams, and pre-cooked squid, sweet bell pepper, red bell pepper, canned diced tomato, green peas, garlic, onions, lemons. Of course, we have the saffron. Saffron yung magbibigay sa kanya ng kulay tsaka flavor. Salt, pepper, and we have olive oil and our seafood broth. Okay, so simulan na natin ang pagluluto. First, of course, olive oil.
Gano'ng
Extra
kadami
virgin
yan?
olive oil. Siguro mga 2 tablespoon muna ngayon. Because what I'm gonna do is, I wanna saute the red pepper first.
Okay.
So saute lang natin yung red pepper sa ngayon.
Ayusin na natin yun.
Okay. And then pag yung nag-brown na siya ng konti, natusta na siya ng konti,
Medium fire ba?
no, high heat.
High heat. High heat, guys.
High heat. So sandali lang para lang makuha yung flavor nung red pepper. So siguro mga 1-2 minutes. Okay.
Hindi ka nagsisalt, Kuya Carl, pag naglalagay ng mga...
Not for this, yeah.
Got it.
Okay. So we'll wait mga 1 to 2 minutes. And then aalisin natin siya.
Patience.
Yeah.
That's
I think
Yun nga
when
sabi
you
ng
want to
kuya
learn
mo.
how to cook,
Oo.
when you
Sabi niya sa akin.
when you want to learn how to cook, patient. Hindi pwedeng mainipin. Yeah.
Parang you put your love sa pagluluto talaga.
Ang red bell pepper.
Yan. So alisin na natin.
Siya lang. Yun yung high heat lang siya.
Alisin na natin. And i-ready natin siya for later.
I can't wait to taste this.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yummy.
Might become my favorite too.
For sure, Joy.
And then onions.
Onions.
So we have white onions.
So you can use any onions naman, di ba?
Yeah, actually, I read so much and I saw na ginagamit nila normally sa yung Spanish cooking is yung red onion.
Okay.
But, I think white onion
White
is
onion,
okay.
okay.
Yeah.
Anong available yan sa inyo? So you can
But if you have red onions,
Yeah,
then
you can use the red onion. Okay, pag medyo translucent na yung onions, medyo ano na siya, loose na siya, ilalagay natin yung garlic. So, garlic, mga 1 tablespoon of garlic.
ba, garlic muna, diba?
Yeah, kasi ang nangyayari naman pag inulo natin yung garlic, masusunog agad yung garlic. So, we're trying to avoid na masunog yung garlic.
Tama.
Pero kung gusto mong ilagay muna yung garlic, tustahin siya, then you cook it separately and then put it, and then,
Remove it.
yeah, remove it. And then, pag na ready na yung garlic tsaka onions, igigisa rin natin yung arborio rice. Igigisa natin siya. So, yan. So, translucent na yung onions and yung garlic natin. Medyo natutusta na siya ng konti. So, pwede na natin idagdag yung
Rice.
ating rice.
Nag-high
Nilagay ko sa high heat. Yeah. There you go. Thank you. So, you know, you need to stir it and just saute it for like a minute or two, and then after that, when we put the other ingredient, you cannot touch this anymore. Hindi mo na siya kailangan, hindi mo na siya pwedeng haluin ulit.
Oh. So, just let it cook by itself, pagkalagay mo
By
na yung
itself,
broth.
para ka nagsasaing.
Got it.
So, anong ang klaseng rice to, Carl?
Arborio rice, it's a, like Italian type of rice, you know, but normally you will use a Spanish rice, which is very hard to find, and then mas mahal siya pati. I tried going Walmart, international store, or any international store, wala akong makita eh. So ito na yung pinaka-closest na pwede natin gamitin.
So, hindi pwede yung Filipino rice?
No, not jasmine rice. Or,
Ibang texture.
yeah, magiging ano siya, para kang naglugaw.
Oh, okay. It's gonna be overcooked pag
Yeah,
jasmine.
mag-i-explode siya. You want the rice parang grain pa siya, yeah, grainy pa. Okay, so 1-2 minutes, yep. And then, okay, I had everything, the tomato. Okay. Put the diced tomato.
Can you use fresh tomatoes or kailangan nasa can?
Can or dice your own tomato.
Whatever.
I know. Yeah, actually, pag walang diced tomato, I just use regular tomato. But the thing is, you have to boil it first, just to remove the skin. Kasi ayaw mo nung may skin. Kasi pag may skin, ayan ang mangyayari.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you don't want that.
Okay.
So yeah, this diced
So, you
tomato.
boil the tomato and remove the skin.
yeah.
Okay. If you don't use the canned type of tomato.
Yeah, I think I will go for the can.
Less work.
It's not the best.
Okay.
Bango niya. Bango niya.
Then we'll put the saffron.
Saffron.
Okay.
Saan naman nakukuha yung saffron na yun?
Well, I ordered it through Amazon.
Passion saffron.
Yeah. I think Sunset Foods. I think I saw it at Sunset Foods, but it's more expensive. So, but you can order it from Amazon. It's okay too. Okay. I normally mix some of the peas. Not all. I reserve some of them for later.
Okay. Half lang nung green tea.
Okay. Now we add our prepared seafood broth.
So, Kuya Carl, ano yung nasa broth?
Well, yung pinagpakuluan ng clams, and sometimes yung kung gusto mong pakuluan din yung shrimp. So, and then yung nung dinrain natin yung tomatoes from the can, I use the juice also from the diced tomato from the can.
Oh, may juice siya
Ng tomatoes, yeah.
Ng diced tomato.
Pwede rin bang gamitin yung mga shrimp
Nor
bouillon?
cubes, yeah, I do that too.
Pag walang ganito.
Yeah.
And
But you can boil some of the shrimp, you can pre-boil some of the clams, and use the juice for the broth. Remember, you can stir it now, and then later you cannot stir them anymore.
So we have to
Okay,
cover
so we
that.
have everything. Yep.
Cover.
We'll wait until it bubbles a little bit.
Okay.
Let's wait a little bit. Pag nagkulo na siya, then we'll put it on a medium heat.
Mga gaano katagal yan pagka, bago
Oh,
maluto?
siguro mga 5-10 minutes.
Oh, it's
Yeah,
really quick.
mabilis siya. Okay, so kumukulo na siya ngayon. Ilagay natin sa medium heat. And then tatakpan natin siya. Let's wait about 5 minutes. And then, pag malapit ng matuyo yung tubig, ilalagay natin yung shrimp ang una. And then followed by the mussel. And then clam and squid. And the rest of them is just to garnish the top of the seafood paella.
Okay.
So, Kuya Carl, ito yung sinasabi mo, hindi na natin siya kailangan
Hindi mo na siya
haluin.
pwedeng haluin.
Okay. Tip guys, don't mix it once it's covered.
So now we're ready to add our seafood. Okay. We'll start, like I said, we'll start with the shrimp. Okay. All you gotta do is stick those shrimp in there. Siguro mga 2 minutes, luto na yung shrimp na yan.
Oh, that shrimp will cook in 2 minutes.
So, hindi mo na kailangan maglagay ng salt or pepper?
Yung nung ipin-prepare ko yung broth, yung
Meron na
seafood
siya.
broth, I make sure na nasa salty side na siya.
Okay.
Oh.
So, yung
Kasi
broth
yung
may lasa na siya.
yung broth ang magpapalasa talaga sa kanya.
Almost done.
Okay.
I'll take that.
Okay. So I said you cannot stir them anymore, but you can shake them. You can shake them, you cannot stir them.
Yep.
Okay.
Shake, shake.
So
And then medium heat na siya.
medium
Okay.
heat. Then we'll cover it for another minute or two, and then we'll add the mussel, and we should be ready in another 2 minutes.
A few moments later.
Okay, so nakita nyo,
Wow, look at that.
nag-pink na yung
It's
shrimp
pink na.
natin after 2 minutes. Then we'll add the mussel. Okay, so
Just
we
stick it there?
Yeah, just stick it.
That looks fun.
Dapat yata mas malaking kalan eh.
Yeah.
Yeah, normally talaga ang paella pan, yung malapad siya, tapos manipis lang siya. Manipis lang. Pero wala tayong ganun eh. So, this is the best we can do.
Yes.
No.
That's true.
Ang importante yung lasa nito.
Okay.
Okay.
Nice.
Okay, we'll cover it again, another minute or two, and then we'll add the clams and the squid.
And the squid.
Which are cooked already. Right?
Yes.
So malapit na.
Yeah. So, 2 minutes pass. Okay,
Wow.
our mussel is ready. We'll put the clams. Put our cooked clams. Okay. This one didn't open, so we're not gonna put that.
So pag hindi nag-open
Pag
ang
hindi
clam,
nag-open,
huwag gamitin,
yep,
right?
huwag gamitin. It's dead. It's a dead clam. So,
We'll add those now. Wow,
Yeah.
that one is a squid.
So kung hindi siya cook, paano siya
yung
i-prepare?
you know,
Steam lang?
the minute,
A minute?
yeah. Steam or you can saute it, pero sandali lang talaga dapat.
Okay.
Okay? We'll put our red pepper.
Nice. Kaya pala inuuna ang pepper para
Mhm.
siya yung... Okay. Alright.
Okay.
Then the green.
Then we'll put the peas. The peas it's madali lang din siyang maluto. So actually you can eat it raw. So don't have to worry kung hindi natin siya niluto. We'll put some
Pepper.
black pepper.
Okay.
Okay. And then
Shake it again. Okay, mix
I'll put it in high for like a minute, and then I'll cover it. After a minute, we'll turn it off, wait 10 minutes, and we're all set.
A few moments later.
So, after boiling it for another minute, because gusto ko siya magtutong dun sa ilalim. Dahil,
In high
yeah, sa high heat.
Para for my
Yeah. Yung mag-develop siya ng crust sa ilalim. Because, yung mga iba, yun ang gustong-gusto na lang kainin yung crust sa ilalim. So if you put it in high heat and then this should be ready. We're all done. So I'm gonna turn it off, and then we will cover it back for another 10 minutes. Let it sit here. Okay, and then
Ready to serve.
we're done.
Okay, test
You can just garnish it with lemons, you know, and parsley, and you're all set.
Awesome. I will do something. Only 10 minutes.
Wow, that was yummy.
Ang sarap. And thank you so much, Kuya Carl, for sharing your recipe with us. Sana maulit-uli ang pag-guest mo dito sa Lutong Barkada.
You're welcome. Thank you for having me, and I'm glad you guys liked it.
Yes, we did.
And for more yummy recipes, please don't forget to watch, like, share, and subscribe.
And click that notification bell. And watch next Monday because we're cooking
Adobo! Yay! Bye!